Hey Tarot friends, it's Ultraviolet Morgan. Oh, I shouldn't have showed you. Oh, that's okay. So, I got my Echoes of Nature Oracle card today in the mail. So we're going to go through, take a look at that, and I'm really excited. Yeah. Got my coffee here. Got my personalized, well, not personalized, but Tio's mat that he personalized for, with his Tasty Tarot deck. Let's see. All right, so first things first is this is the Echoes of Nature Oracle deck by Tarotoracle, and he made a personalized back card back for me. So we're gonna flip that over and take a look. Da, da, da. So there's the backs. They are beautiful. And it does say, my luck, my inspiration, my love. And they are reversible. And it also says, Ultraviolet Tarot. And we got the Pisces symbol. And of course it's in the beautiful purple, because that is the color for the channel. So we're going to unbox these and we're going to take a look, because I have not seen all of these. And I believe he said that there are a couple of bonus cards in here that were not in the original version of the deck. See if I can open this without smacking my coffee like with my arm and breaking it, knocking it all over. That'd be bad. Okay. I'm so excited. I'm so excited to see these. We are gonna zoom. Zoom. All right, so the top card says thank you. I'm not sure if it's meant to be part of the oracle. I know that there is a PDF file, a PDF book to explain the deck, but for now we're just gonna have to use it. Just gonna have to enjoy it as it is. So this one says thank you, and Sun something heart 41. Oh, look at that. And again, there are some symbols down here. Oh my goodness. Number 1, intuition. Right? All right. It's a pretty. Card 2, dreams. Oh, yes. She's got this daydreamy look. I don't know why I assumed it's a female cat, but dreams. Taking a break. Nice. It's really nice. I wasn't really sure because I had seen the cards before I even saw him use the cards, but I didn't remember actually seeing captions on them or keywords or whatever. They kind of blend in, so if you don't want to use them, if you want to, you can easily sort of just pay attention to the imagery. I like that. But they're there. Serenity. Oh, that's beautiful. These are all paintings that Tio painted himself. So talented. Number 5, unexpected friends. Oh, I love it. Little mouse. I have a thing, I'm pretty sure that's a little field mouse, that I actually love mice. I don't like, like mice in my cupboards or jumping out at me or anything like that. But, yeah, I don't have a fear of mice. I think they're so adorable. Love mice. Oh, sideways. Don't like the sideways. Just gonna be honest. I don't like when the cards change the orientation, but it's all right. Casting a long shadow. Well, that makes sense. But it's beautiful. Love that. Okay, so I think we're turning back this way again. Look at these bags. So when I do a reading with these and I lay them out, oh, wisdom, nice. You know, I lay them out. That's gonna be amazing. I'm gonna have to use these in like every one of my, every single one, just so I can flash my logo. Every single video. Number 7, wisdom. Ooh. Facing adversity. Damn. When I was a child, I wanted to have a tiger pet / friend when I grew up to live in the rainforest. That was my sort of fantasy Pippi Longstocking sort of.
I don't like Jasmine. She has a pet tiger.
Yeah, like Jasmine on Aladdin. Ooh, ooh. You know, if you're a Pisces, you know you love a card that says surfing the waves. Oh my gosh. Tio's going to have to teach me how to paint waves and water because I want to do that. It's beautiful. You want to see? He said, oh my gosh. In case you can't hear that over there. Oh, friendship gives me like 3 of Cups kind of vibe. Oh, I do little faces. Little fights. Oh, 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 that just, oh, oh, it just touches me. Oh, look at that. Look. Oh, waiting for someone. Oh, playfulness. Oh, do we want to build a snowman? It doesn't have to be a snowman. Flaunt it. You can tell by the way I use my walk. I'm a woman's man. No time to talk. That's right. OMG. OM triple G. Okay, I'm a sucker for tigers. All right. I'm a sucker for tigers. Now you know. Wishful thinking. See? He's wishing that he had a girl to move to the rainforest and be his friend. Yeah, that's his wishful thinking. He's daydreaming about me. Oh, beauty. Oh, it's Lassie. Lassie, come home. Oh, man, these are so pretty. I love these because I'm not allergic to these pets because they're paintings. Contemplation. Wow. Strength. Right up close with the lion. Right up close. 17 adds up to 8. Yeah, I caught that. Weathering the storm. Oh, that's pretty. Hey, pause. Pause.
Hey, it went to the
Okay, that's fine.
channel, so if you click it on
I know. Thank you. Weathering the storm. This is what it's like where I live. Your personal power. Nice. Oh, inspiration. Oh. Oh. Yeah, the little ear. Innocence. Somebody's got a little favoritism for the little ear and the eyes. No. Yep. Innocence. This is me. Total innocence. Personal space. Oh my God. That's some personal space I think anyone could get behind. Ooh. I'm moving in there. 22. Aww. Oh, comfort. You can just hear like the, you know. Yeah. Mommy needs a hug. I'm here for ya. Let's see. As above, so below. Oh, nice. Somewhere I have a painting of trees around a lake that I painted in high school in art class. If I ever find it, it'd be great. It could be lost to the ages now. It's really pretty. I think I called mine old timers. Those little trees were old. The ancient ones. Oh my gosh. You know, in Texas, there's a horse on every corner. Leading the way. Ooh, big opportunities. Here's the horse.
By the way, look.
Did you put it together?
No, I put together the Marvel one and I'm sorting out the Toy Story one.
Oh, good job. Look. What do you think?
Cute.
Cute.
And you can take a picture of the Marvel one.
Big opportunities. Good keywords. I was kind of wondering what kind of keywords we were going to get with. Oh my gosh. Honesty. Somebody really knows how to paint expressive eyes.
Let me see.
What? What is that face? How are these, some of these, how are they just not, do you know that's a painting? How is that not a photograph? How? All right, look at, does this one look familiar? Look right there.
He painted both.
Yeah.
He painted the picture 2 times.
No, that's the painting. This is the card he made from the painting.
He painted it 2 times.
I have this painting. Saving for winter. Saving for winter. It's very nice. Oh. Oh. What is it with dogs? Looking to the future. Oh. Oh. Oh my God, I love this. Solitude. Oh my gosh. Little tree house. This is so magical. Oh my God. Yeah. This is gonna be my mental escape from now on. Wow. Oh. Hanging on. Okay, now we go this way.
Yeah, Mom.
Can it wait?
When you're done with the video, can you help me with starting this puzzle?
Love. Which is oriented this way, but I want to look at it like that. Oh, so sweet. Okay, I'm gonna be sorting these into like 2 separate piles.
Like me.
'Cause I don't like this. I don't like the switch in orientation. But God, wow, that really looks like a photo too. Check out this picture. Aww.
How does he paint that? Literally. I'm gonna be looking at this for the rest of my life.
Journey's gonna look at that for the rest of his life. Challenges ahead. All right. Happiness. Oh.
How did he pay for that?
I don't know. Maybe he'll show you someday. Taking the...
How did he not accidentally go out of... How did he not accidentally put a little bit of glue on the fur?
I don't know. Taking the shortcut.
How?
Nice.
Literally, how do you...
No, if that's a good thing or a bad thing. Ooh. Okay, so yeah, I have a... Oh my God.
Here's this back.
Thank you. Healing. Yeah, I definitely have a soft spot for a good painting of a log cabin. Oh. That's it. I can't even talk about that one. Jumping to conclusions. I used to have a book when I was a kid of like frogs, like tropical frogs and poisonous frog. It was a whole freaking like hardcover book full of all these crazy, you know, exotic frogs. Just took me right back there. That was so long ago. Oh, Seeing Inside. I got this one. I love this one. I love it. This guy, I forgot what kind of animal it is. Hey, Journey, what's that up there, remember?
Lynx. Or a floppa.
I say it's a lynx. Tio says it's a lynx, and Journey thinks it's a flappa.
Which is a type of dog or a cat.
Which is some kind of animal.
It's another copy.
Anyway, the lynx.
Gonna make a copy of another.
Go down. The lynx that I have the painting of the lynx, and the lynx keeps jumping off. We know cats love to jump. This freaking lynx keeps jumping off of the place where I have it setting. Constantly. It just jumps right on the floor.
Like, I don't like it here. Whoopee!
He likes to jump. He's a jumper. So I'll never look at this without thinking about him, about this painting. Just jumping around in my house. Seeing Inside. Yeah, no, this means jumping. Oh, speaking out. Nice.
Jumped it. It already jumped.
Put him back.
It jumped.
Put him back.
It jumped.
Listening. Oh, look at. Okay, he took off with the parrot. Oh, memories. Oh, it's these eyes.
Every time I see an animal that is way too detailed,
These eyes get me every time. Gossip. Oh, gossip is hurtful. Path less traveled. Man, it's beautiful. Oh, helping hand. Strategies. Yep, I got that one too. Oh. Small influences. Very interesting. And the eyes, they're so expressive and glossy. Long. Journey, come here. I want you to stand here, and I don't want you to say anything until I tell you till I show you this. What's that say?
Non-gardens?
That's a J.
Jordans?
No, it's not Long Gardens.
Journeys.
Long Journeys. All right, hey! Stop pounding on the ground. It messes up my camera. We don't need it to look like there's an earthquake here. Okay, Long Journeys. Journey has mixed feelings about seeing his name in that way. Blending in. Oh, okay, nice. Transforming. Nice. Confusion. Oh, searching. Yeah, there it is. The head to the side, and one ear up, one ear down, and a look. Searching. Hey, pause. Pause it. Pause. Approaching success. Man, there's a lot of cards in this deck. Oh my goodness. Savor the moment. Oh. Higher perspective. Good one. Look at this guy. Look at that guy. Give it to me. Don't take off with it. Clear pathways. Oh, man. I'm drinking coffee with creamer and it's messing up my throat. Journey wants to know the secrets. Clear pathways. I love this. This one it doesn't look as realistic as the other ones, and I like that about it because it has more of a fantasy feel and kind of makes me think of Mary Poppins when they jump into the chalk painting. It's really kind of cool. Oopsie, let's see. Loyalty. Well, that's why I have them down. Whoops, slide away. Oh, meditation. Nice. Oh. Yeah. Nice. Oh, wealth. Not really sure how that one relates, but I will find out. Oh, travel. Oh, man. Again with the eyes. Oh my gosh, this is so a storybook. So, yeah, like ooh, mythical, deeper understanding. Okay. Changing directions. T.O. Listen, T.O. You're going to need a talking to. I don't want to keep turning and turning and turning. Okay. Bound. I always have to, I always have to give T.O. a hard time. Just because you paint this amazing, beautiful deck with the most realistic animal depictions anyone's ever seen. It's incredible and breathtaking. Don't think you're going to get out of getting, I don't know, being given a hard time. All this turning. Sir, no. Boundaries. Telling you, I got 2 decks here. 2 decks. We'll do another video later where we show you how we got 2 decks. Feeling down. Is it every other one? What are you doing to me? Sir, hairy situation. Great. Oh. Intimidation. Yeah, he doesn't look scary enough. Maybe I'm just not scared. I don't scare easily. But it's intense. Intensity. Intensidation. Yeah. Ooh. The next card is intensity. Nice. Damn, those eyes. Being sly. Ooh. Weeds and flowers. Wow. I like that. I can go places with that card. Looking further out. This kind of a Two of Wands kind of energy. Oh. Recovery. Okay. Recovery. Self-care. That's fantastic. Yeah. Yeah, that cat looks like he's going to take care of himself. He or she. Oh, gosh. The house is beautiful. Freedom. Freedom. Heavy thoughts. Very interesting. Heavy thoughts. Oh, stranded. Looking at the past. Just looking to the left. Path to clarity. Gathering inspiration. Very nice. Waterfalls. Wait. Okay. Waterfalls are made. These are slippery. They're nice and big. Ooh, celebration. I love this one. Celebrate good times. Come on. Ooh. Gilded path. Guided path. Guided path. So pretty. Just think like a British country home. I don't know. It just, to me, it's British. This might be George Michael's house. He has a really. I'm gonna look it up and see what his house in Goring looked like, because it's kind of similar. Oh my gosh, covered path. Wow. Oh, that one sucks me right in. Okay. Hidden path. Nice. Oh, window of opportunity. Oh, this one's like in Greece or something. Beautiful. Oops, sorry. Sorry, guys. That's why I didn't want to hold them, but in daylight aspects. It was just hard for me to read. That has, I don't know what I was going to say. Oop. Okay, so daylight aspects. So we've got echoes of nature, and then of course we've got the waterfall here. Waterfall. Tarot. This happens to be right here. In the Meraki. I wonder if the Meraki has got. I might see. 28 minutes? Yeah, we got some time. Alright. First things first, we're gonna try to shuffle this chunker, because this is a big boy here. Okay. Seems to shuffle pretty well. Oops. Of course I'm gonna bump. I can shuffle off camera or more at an angle. Yeah, it's got a good shuffle. Okay, we would like one message, please. One message. Oh my God, the backs of these are so amazing. Whoa. Baby did good. All right. Come on. Oh, that's the one. Freedom. Freedom. Look at that beautiful house by the lake. There's a sailboat. It's gorgeous. Oh my gosh. So now I'm going to go ahead and sort into piles according to orientation. Freedom is important. And, you know, I read this thing once about there's like negative and positive freedoms. Not negative in a bad way, but there's like freedom from, and there's freedom to. So freedom from persecution, freedom from oppression, you know, these are important. But then there's also freedom to, like, so like when you have resources, you have the freedom to explore options, you have the freedom, you know, you have different freedoms than when maybe there's no laws against doing things, but you just don't have the availability. So here, if you have this home, this gives you this freedom to be outside, to enjoy the fresh air and the water. Just to enjoy the beauty and the healthful benefits of being in this natural, beautiful environment. Okay. Weeds and flowers. Okay. I have the Muse Tarot, and it also does this with the Queen, or the Kings, I think. So it does seem to me like there's enough cards to make a small deck. There are enough cards with that orientation. Man, yeah, this is so many cards. Yeah, look at that. So then what we can do is shuffle, select one going this way, boundaries, and one going the other way. Memories and boundaries. Interesting. I'm gonna ask for one more card. Beauty. Memories, beauty, and boundaries. This makes me think of, I would say, honestly, it makes me think of the beautiful memories that you have with someone maybe who's passed on. They've kind of crossed the boundary. And also just the boundaries you have to kind of set of how to enjoy those memories, and also enjoy the beauty of what's happening now, and have the boundaries for the balance to not get lost in the memories, so that you're missing what's happening right now. And I want to see about pairing. Let me see. So I want to have one of these landscape ones. Landscape orientations that are mostly landscape. They do have a couple animals, but I'm going to pick one of these. Oh, surfing the waves. And I'm going to go ahead and check out the Crystal Visions Tarot. So we're gonna combine with the Three of Pentacles. the King of Cups. Ooh. They look really nice together. I'm not really sure that's bringing me any special message in this with this combination. Although here with this, I do get a little bit, even though this is the Three of Pentacles, it kind of is together making me think of the Two of Pentacles with the waves and the balance and kind of keeping the juggling, surfing the wave, staying on top of the wave and not, you know, getting pulled underneath. All right, so yeah, if I spend a few minutes with it, it's bringing me places. How about that? Okay. Now when I combine it with, hey Journey, can you bring me something?
What?
That deck over there, that first deck that I showed you ever. It's over there by my chair, the one that's drawings. Can you bring me that one? Oh, okay. Over by the unicorn. Okay. Are your hands dirty? If your hands are dirty, never mind. I'll get it in a sec. Never mind. All right. I'm going to do another combination. Confusion. Ooh.
No, look, they're not dirty.
Okay. And combine it with the Victorian Flower Oracle. Oh, this is the one. Needs and necessity. Oh, yes, thank you. That's exactly what I wanted. Okay, so a message I would get from that maybe would be, right, someone's needs are not being met and it's causing confusion, or, yeah, kind of reminds me of a friend situation where it was very confusing and the needs were not being met. And there was confusion, but it did get sorted, so that's good. Let me see. Happy times. Oops. Stranded. Okay. Looking at the past. Yeah. Path to clarity. Well, come on now. I'm looking for animals. I think those would go together well. Let's see. So another one, the Meraki, because the Meraki's got a lot of this beautiful nature elements. So I think that would be a good pairing. Let's see. Whoop, these are slippery. Intuition. Yeah, those are pretty good. I think that's a really nice pairing. Right? Yeah, those pair well. Say those pair really well together. The messages work too. It's nice. And then the final one I really want to see paired up with this deck is Wild Unknown, which is so far is pretty much my soul deck. Okay, things are flying everywhere. So we're just gonna ask for a card. I wanna see if I can, ooh, wow, yes, yeah. We've got the sun. I'm not gonna read reversals. We've got the sun, we got strength. And what else? Give us a message, please. Give us a card. Oh boy, look at that. Meditation. I'd say that's a good, successful pairing. Yeah. I'm going to say I think this is really, look at that, okay? This is the deck I was kind of most excited to see about pairing it with. Or we can go like this. This is how Boho Tarot does it. Ooh. So here's some growth, listening, like learning to listen, or, yeah. Ace of Swords, information, learning to listen, learning to gather information, learning to understand, connecting, you know, friendship. Being there for someone when they're sad, when they're going through change, when they need you. Beauty. Oops. Interesting. Daylight aspects. And we've got sort of this darkness and we've got this dawn. That's beautiful. That's just such a great combination. Okay. Talk about walking into a trap, right? I think this is just meant to be a thank you card, but still, I'd probably just leave that in there because I can read with that. Personal space. Oh, nice. Yeah. That there. Yeah. Yeah, I see that combining really nicely with that. And the way that I use this deck, which is really, it's pretty personal, so it's not like I don't want to tell you because it's personal. It's more like I can't explain it because it's just a personal deck. It really has to do with the internal landscapes, the wild unknown as you know, a metaphor for the internal landscapes, sort of shamanic in a way. But I think, let me see. Wow, these are so slippery. All right, we're gonna go. Thank you. Get the thank you card. Right. Innocence, right? Innocence, beginnings, and blessings. Yeah. basically this deck fits in pretty well, in my opinion, with my existing decks. Several of my existing decks. So that is my, I would not call that a review. I would call that an appreciation, a flip through, and a little bit of, wow, love it, harassment. Yeah, because I did harass Tio a little bit, but thank you so much, tarot friends, for watching me unbox this just lovely personalized deck that I appreciate so much. And before I just get all teary or whatever, I'm just gonna say, be sure to like this video. Be sure to check out Tarot Oracle, who streams every night besides Thursdays at 7:30 Eastern, 6:30 his time, p.m. And also has many videos for tutorial, learning tarot, does tarot news, all kinds of great stuff. So check out his channel. Subscribe to my channel. Thumbs up. Hit the bell so that when I go live, do a live reading or another unboxing or any other fun tarot community things, you'll be notified so you can be there. And until next time, be well.